Hello friends, so in this video I will show you that how you can turn your photos into childhood drawings as you were doing in the childhood. If you remember on the notebook page paper, there are lines, horizontal line and a vertical red line on the paper like on the left side, and you were doing drawings. So that drawings, if you want to see those drawings again, so how you can turn your photo into that incredible, drawing. So for this, you can go to chatgpt.com, and here you can upload the file. Like, I want this image to turn into a drawing of my childhood drawing as I was doing. So what we need, the prompt here, I turn the uploaded image into a playful Korean style artwork that looks like it was drawn on classic lined notebook paper, and keep the person's original facial structure, skin color, hairstyle, and outfit and expression intact. Just reimagine them using thick and uneven crayon lines and bold, childlike strokes. And, use vivid and cheerful colors and a rough, imperfect texture, as if a kid enthusiastically colored it in with crayons. And background, like add crayon drawn, green hills, a bright sun in yellow, and also M-shaped birds in the sky, and small colorful house doodles, and preserve the person's basic proportions but simplify facial and clothing details to give it a cartoonish and child-drawn vibe. And also, like, you can include a few scribbles or quirky mistakes for added charm and spontaneity. Okay. And then output in a 3:4 vertical aspect ratio to match the look of a notebook page. So this is the prompt. Just you type the prompt here, and then you press enter, and make sure that it can take few minutes, as ChatGPT can take few minutes. So I will pause the video. As soon as it completes, I will resume the video. So it is done, and you can see it looks amazing, as I was doing the drawing in my childhood. So same thing I was doing. You can see the notebook paper also, vertical red line also was there, and then these horizontal blue lines, and then you can see like birds, sky, and we also mentioned about all these things, like bright sun in yellow, and birds in the skies, and house doodles also I mentioned. So see, it is looking incredibly professional, childhood drawing. So we have turned the photo into drawing. Let me show you the original photo. It was this one. See, so this has turned into this photo. This one has been turned into this childhood drawing photo. So this is just because of ChatGPT. So thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. And thank you so much once again.